Ever wondered how businesses set their prices? It's not a random process. It involves a strategic approach called price management. Now, you might ask, what's price management? It's the method businesses use to set the perfect price for their products or services. It's crucial because it impacts a company's bottom line directly. But how does it work? It starts with understanding the value customers see in your products. This value perception is not the same for all customers, which is where customer segmentation comes into play. Businesses need to identify different customer segments based on their value perception and preferences. This way, they can tailor their pricing strategies for each segment, ensuring they get the best possible return. So, as you can see, price management is not just about setting the right price. It's about understanding your customers and their perception of value. Remember, understanding your customers and their perception of value is the first step in effective price management. Now that we know about customer value and segmentation, let's move to the second principle: understanding your competition. In the world of business, knowledge is power, and this is especially true when it comes to understanding your competitors' pricing strategies. Just as a chess player studies their opponent's moves, you need to comprehend the prices your competitors charge and the value they offer. This information is vital, as it allows you to identify your market position and craft a pricing strategy that boosts your profitability. But how do you position yourself in the market? Well, there are various strategies at your disposal. You could opt for market penetration, where you set lower prices to attract customers. Alternatively, you could focus on differentiation, emphasizing unique features that justify higher prices. Or, you might choose premium positioning, associating your brand with luxury and exclusivity. So, knowing your competition and your market position helps you create a strategy that maximizes profitability. Price management doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's heavily influenced by market dynamics. Imagine a seesaw, with supply on one end and demand on the other. These two forces are constantly in motion, shifting and shaping the pricing landscape. When demand soars and supply dwindles, prices typically rise. Conversely, when supply is abundant and demand is low, prices tend to drop. This is the principle of elasticity. It's a measure of how much the quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in the price of that good. Now let's pivot to revenue management. This is particularly crucial for businesses dealing in perishable goods or services like hotels or airlines. Prices can fluctuate based on time, demand, and even customer segment. It's a game of balance, optimizing prices to maximize revenue. That's why it's important to continuously monitor and adjust your pricing strategies. Test different approaches, like segmented pricing or dynamic pricing, and see what works best for your business. Therefore, always keep an eye on the market conditions and adjust your pricing strategies accordingly. Lastly, let's talk about strategic pricing. It's not just about the here and now, but also about the future. Think of strategic pricing as the compass guiding your business towards its long-term success. Now, how does it work? It begins with aligning your pricing strategies with your company's overall strategic goals. Consider brand positioning. Your pricing should reflect the value and image you want your brand to project. Are you a premium, high-end brand, or a cost-effective, value-for-money brand? Your pricing should tell the same story. Next, think about customer acquisition. Your pricing needs to attract and retain the right customers for your business. It should be competitive enough to lure new customers, but also sustainable for long-term profitability. Finally, consider market share. Your pricing strategy should help you gain a significant share of the market, ensuring your business's growth and longevity. In conclusion, price management is a strategic approach that involves understanding your customer, competition, market dynamics, and aligning it all with your company's long-term goals. Thanks for watching.